Hi guys, this is another unboxing from Live Inspire TV. So today, we have the All Might Silver Age to be unboxed, and it's the last one version. It means it's metallic, it's shiny. So yeah, it's from Japan. I purchased it from Japan. It took 3 months to be able to get here. So I'm excited. Plus Ultra. So let's go. So just remove the scotch tape. Okay, nice and easy so that the paint won't be chipped off. Okay, there you go. There you go. And this is what it looks like. And oh, it's only one piece. Okay. It's only one piece, guys. Okay guys, I'm excited about this figure kasi it's very rare to be able to get Silver Age All Might. Before, you saw my other videos na nag-unbox tayo ng Golden Age All Might. But this is once the Silver Age, so meron siyang kapa. So that's what I'm excited about. So, kudos to DBC Figure Shop kasi very well packaged yung ating figure. So, kita nyo naman guys, kasi fragile siya. That's why there. And then, meron pa siyang newspaper. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, almost there. Then guys, tara, it's only one piece. Kita nyo. So, one piece lang siya. Ayan guys, grabe yung details. So, let's keep that away. And that's the details of the face. Grabe yung muscles. Very detailed. And the cape, metallic blue. Very amazing. And meron siyang stand. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing of All Might.